Hello there, friends and family. All you subscribers, we thank you for subscribing. Hit that like button and help my channel. Today we have another glorious repair in store. We're going to replace the shift shaft seal. That's that seal right there. And it's two nuts holding it. Screws. We're going to take those off. They're 10 millimeters. And as you can see, we replaced with a brand new water impeller and sealant. So today we're going to attempt, like I say, to change this shift shaft seal, because oil can get up through here and mix with the water, and water can come down through there and mix with your oil in your lower unit and mess with your gears. And when you drain your oil in your lower unit, you'll see it's kind of cloudy or watery. This is one of the main culprits of water getting into the lower unit, into your transmission. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and take that off, clean it up, put a new seal in there. Keep in mind that when you take off the housing for the shift shaft seal, here's a new one, brand new. Real small, isn't it? See how it's made? And this is the part that goes down into this housing. Put it in just like the one that's on there. See? The little wire ring. See the wire ring? Pay attention. You see the wire ring there, right there, going around the band? Okay. There's the wire ring. Let it focus. See, can I get it focused? Can you see it better now? All right, so that's the way it goes in. But these things are stuck pretty tight on there. Once you take the two 10 millimeter screws out, it's tight. It's stuck. Almost welded into the housing of the lower unit. So what you got to do, is the reason I got this screwdriver here, don't just bang on it, because you might gouge into the soft aluminum. That'll be bad. Take you dropping stuff, because I'm using one hand to hold the camera. But you take your rubber mallet and just gently tap it. Tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it on both sides. Tap it, tap it, tap it, trying to break it loose. Almost make you a song. Tap it, baby, tap it, baby, tap it, baby. Tap it, pay attention. Okay? Once you tap it a few times, you take that old trusty screwdriver, take that screwdriver and get one end and sort of gouge it in there. Not gouge, but you know what I mean. Put it down in there and work it. And once you feel it breaking, just gently break it all the way around. Come on this side and break it like that. And break it. And once you get it loose, all the way around, gently twist it. Try to keep your shift shaft in the same position that it is when you took it off out of the engine. And just gently, I'm trying to do it with one hand to hold the camera and hold the shift shaft in place. But you get the idea. Just gently pull it up and keep this shifter in the same position, and just gently pull it up. Okay? We'll go ahead and pull it up and then show you what it looks like. All right, we took it off. And as you can see, the bottom that's stuck down inside, how it looks. It's all one piece. Hope you can see that. It's all one piece. Except for the seal. So we go ahead and take the seal out and clean out down here, clean out around there. And it's an O-ring that goes in there. It's an O-ring. And here's the O-ring. Here's the O-ring. So try to get you a new O-ring as well if you're going to just replace the seal and not buy the whole housing kit. It's a lot cheaper to replace the seal and the O-ring. Okay? You can do that. All right. Hold on. Okay, we got it out. The old seal out. Wasn't that hard to take out. Now you can see we put the new seal in, and we used this particular extension to push it down in there good. Make sure it was level and seated properly. So that's not hard to do. Okay, so she's ready now. And we put the O-ring on. Instead of putting it down inside the housing, we put the O-ring onto this housing, not the lower unit, inside the lower unit, in other words. Bear with me here. Pay attention. Okay, so we put the O-ring on. So it'd be easy to just slide it back down in there. Slide it back down in. And once you get that done, just make sure it's seated properly. Put your two bolts back in there, 10 millimeters, tighten it down. You know, put it over the shaft, tighten it down. And you're good to go. You in the house. Yeah. It's time to get you a glass with some ice in it and pour your favorite beverage and pat yourself on the back. Job well done. So we're going to cut it short here because you know how to put it back on the shaft. Just drop it down on the shaft and put the two 10-millimeter bolts back in there, tighten it down, and you're done. All right. Enjoy your day. Be safe out on the water. Captain Fox says subscribe, hit that like button. Help my channel out. Give me some comments if you like. See something I could have done better. I appreciate it. All right. Sending out peace to all you guys and gals. Or girls. I don't get in trouble calling somebody a gal now. Boy, one thing my mama didn't like was to be called a gal. Nope, she hated that, man. And most of you guys can understand why. She would say a gal is a mule or a donkey. I ain't no gal. All right, peace. Enjoy your day. Be safe on the water.